Happy second birthday to Mabel Wagner, daughter of the Roadrunners 73, Justin Wagner.
We got a lot of birthdays tonight, Eric. Good deal. Good day to have a birthday. Anyways.
Thanks for spending them with us.
Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing! Evick jumps hard. He's out in front. There's Rude. Then it's Erickson. That's your top 3 points leader. All three of those drivers right there. And then followed by Melody Welding and Justin Pearson. As Rude and Erickson are side by side. Not anymore. Erickson takes second. As Evick is starting to pull away in this Miller Lite American Short Tracker Dash race. Eric, that's pretty cool that John Cabello, one of the state representatives, is sponsoring a race car here at the Rockford Speedway on that Steven Erickson machine.
Yeah, District 68, we love him for it, thank you.
Halfway around this time by as we are single car racing, as Justin Pearson is starting to look at Melody Welding as he is right on her back bumper.
That 98 car of Kelly Ebank, he's only won 1 dash so far this year. 3 dashes have been won by the pretty boy in that 68 car, and none have been won by the number 9, Aaron Reed.
Something happened to the 19 car of Justin Pearson as he just exits off after the end of the pits there. I don't know what happened there. He was gaining on Melody, and just something must have went wrong with the car.
Well, the points leaders are in reverse style. Kelly Ebank third in the points, currently first. Steve Erickson Jr. second in the points. And Aaron Rude, who's first in the points, he's currently third on the track.
So your winner's going to be Kelly Ebank, followed by Steven Erickson Jr., Aaron Rude, and Melody Welding. And then followed by Justin Pearson, who had to leave the track, and then Todd Bridges would have been the car that didn't make the race. And that will do it for your Miller Lite American Short Tracker Dash race, as we are going to bring out our bar.